Hello everybody. Now we will discuss the how can you find the derivative of the exponential and the logarithm function is there. So first we will discuss about the exponential function. If the exponential function is there, then how can you find the derivative of this one? So one example I am taking. Let's suppose the function is sine in bracket tan inverse e raised to power minus x is there only. Let's suppose this is equal to y. We want to find out the dy over dx. So you have to differentiate with respect to x. So this is your dy over dx, and we will take the derivative of this sine tan inverse e raised to power minus x. So first of all, sine x, we will take the derivative of sine x, means we will treat this is like a x is there only. ऐसा इसको x assume करिए, तो you will get derivative of sine x is what? Cos x. Now take the derivative of this tan inverse e raised to power minus x. So this is cos tan inverse e raised to power minus x into, like this is, we will treat now tan inverse x. So derivative of tan inverse x is already, you know that tan inverse x का derivative क्या होता है? That is equal to 1 over 1 plus x square. So here is x is what? E raised to power minus x is there. So this can be written as 1 over 1 plus e raised to power minus x whole square. Now again we will take the derivative of this one. Here we will apply the chain rule. Remember क्या लगेगा? Chain rule. So derivative of this d over dx e raised to power minus x. So this is equal to cos tan inverse e raised to power minus x into 1 over 1 plus, this can be written as e raised to power 2x minus 2x into, that is, it will be the into derivative of this one e raised to power x is e raised to power x, then again the derivative of minus x, that is minus 1. So finally you are getting is here only 1 over, this can be written as e raised to power minus x 1 plus e raised to power minus 2x minus 1 into cos tan inverse e raised to power minus x. So this is the dy over dx of this function, and that is your answer. Have a look. Okay, now one more question we are taking. This is your e raised to power x into log x over x square. So here you have to apply the quotient rule first. So that you can assume that y is equal to e raised to power x into log x over x square. So we are going to differentiate with respect to x. So dy over dx is equal to, see, quotient rule, denominator square, denominator derivative of the numerator d over dx into e raised to power x into log x minus numerator and derivative of the denominator. Simple. Here means denominator square, denominator derivative of the numerator minus numerator derivative of the denominator is there. लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या होगा ना, अगेन वी विल अप्लाई द प्रोडक्ट रूल इज हियर. हियर वी विल हैव टू अप्लाई द प्रोडक्ट रूल. वी आर सपोज टू अप्लाई द प्रोडक्ट रूल इज हियर ओनली. सो व्हाट यू विल गेट, इधर देखिए, दिस इज x raised to power 4 x square. You can, this is your first and second. So first into derivative of the second. So derivative of the log x is 1 over x plus log x. Derivative of the first e raised to power x means e raised to power x, and derivative of x is also 1. You can write down minus, this is e raised to power x into log x into derivative of this x square will be 2x. So finally in here you will get x raised to power 4 in denominator. You can multiply by the x square is here only. So you will multiply here is the x square into this one's x cancel. So e x into e raised to power x you will get plus x square into e raised to power x into log x minus, this can be written as 2x into e raised to power x log x. This is your answer. That is your dy over dx. अगर आपको सॉल्व करना है तो अगेन यू कैन टेक आउट द एक्स into e raised to power x is common from here only. You can take from here, here and here also. That is also you can do. अगर आप ऐसा करेंगे, you can do. This is your x raised to power 4. From here you can take out x into e raised to power x is common. So 1 here will be the 1 plus x log x minus x into e raised to power x we are taking. So 2 minus 2 log x. So you can say this is up to here. You can do that only. Otherwise, you can leave up to here only. Have a look. Yes. Now we will discuss about the logarithm functions there. When we will take the log, when we have to differentiate the function of the form, means if the exponent of the variable is also the variable. अगर variable की power variable है, for instance, suppose like x raised to power x is there, or cos x whole raised to power cos x is there. If the variable का power, exponent of the variable is the variable, then we are supposed to take the log of both the side. Like for instance, like x raised to power x is there, you can assume let us this is equal to y. Now you can take the log of both the side. Log y is equal to log x raised to power x. You can write up. This one is there. Lekin when we will take the log, in case of there is the exponent of the variable is there only. But before that, you must know about the properties. So these are the few properties are there. For x and y is greater than 0, but a should be greater than 0 or it should not be equal to 1. Then log xy at the base a will be equal to log x plus log y base a. Similarly, log x over y will be equal to log x minus log y at the base a. Log x raised to power n at the base a. Then this can be written as n log x base a. Log x base a can be written as 1 over. Base will change here, x will come here only. That is log a base x. Similarly, log x base a can be written as log x. We can introduce the bases here. We can introduce new bases here. B is here. So log x base b over log a base b is here only. Similarly, if it is suppose log x base की power exponent दिया, base का exponent में दिया है, तो that can be written as 1 over n log x base a. Similarly, here is suppose the base is also given in the exponential form, and the terms is also given in the exponential form. That can be written as p over n log x over log x base a. If the base and the values here are the same, a that is always equal to 1, means you can say like log 2 at base 2 will be equal to 1, log 10 base 10 will be equal to 1 is there. But if the value of the log 1 is always equal to 0 at any of the base, a is there. Just few more. A whole raised to power log x base a, means whatever is the value is here, जो यहाँ value है वही base है, that is always equal to this x. Similarly, a log x base at b, base is different from here, that can be written as x log a base b. But a and b must be greater than 0, b should not be equal to 1, and x should greater than 0 is here only. So when we will take the log is there only if your function is given in this form, means variable का exponent variable है, then you are supposed to take the log of both the side. Now have a look. Yes. Now the question is log x whole raised to power cos x is there only. See now, variable का exponent variable है, तो you can assume let y is equal to log x whole raised to power cos x. Simply you can look at here now. Now you have to take the log of both the side. Taking log of both the sides. You are supposed to take the log of both the sides. So if you will take the log of both the sides, what you will get? Log y is equal to log, this is log x whole raised to power cos x. So it is just like a, ये कैसे होगा? Log m raised to power n. So that can be written as n log m. So this is equal to cos x into log x, and this is equal to log y. Now you can find the derivative. You can differentiate with respect to x. So this is log y. We will differentiate. So log y is first of all 1 over y. Then derivative of the y is dy over dx. Chain rule we will apply. Here is the first and second. First derivative of the second d over dx log x plus second log x and derivative of the first d over dx is cos x. So here we will apply the product rule is there. First derivatives of second plus second derivative of the first is there. Here we will take that we will differentiate this one is there. So log y क्या होगा पहले 1 over y and then derivative of y is dy over dx. So finally इधर देखिए look at here, this is 1 over y into dy over dx is equal to cos x will remain as it is cos x into first of all log x की तरह ट्रीट करेंगे. log x means 1 over x. So 1 over x is already log x. Then chain rule log x derivative of the log x is 1 over x. This is over. Now plus this is log x will remain as it is and the derivative of this cos x, derivative of cos x will be equal to what? Minus sin x is there. So from here you can write down dy because we are interested in dy over dx. So y will multiply is y and this can be written as cos x over x into log x minus here is you can write down sin x into log x is here on. This is now you can put the value of y because y is already assumed this one. क्या करेंगे y के वैल्यू यहाँ रख दीजिए. So therefore dy over dx is equal to this value can log x whole raised to power cos x and rest of the things will remain as it is. As it is रख दीजिए cos x over x into log x minus sin x into log x is there and this is your answer. Simply you are apply the first of all log m raised to power n. So n log m. Then you are going to find the derivative of this one with respect to. So first and second product rule you have to apply and apply the chain rule as well also. Have a look. Okay, now the function is given x raised to power x minus 2 raised to power sin x. Here is the exponent of the variable is here only. Here is the constant the exponent is also the variable is here. So here what we will do, we will assume इसको कुछ मान लीजिए इसको कुछ suppose you can put u is equal to x raised to power x and v is equal to 2 raised to power sin x. Now separately you can take the derivative of this one and this is there only. Separately you can take. See now देखिए case first I am taking. So u is equal to x raised to power x. So you must take the log of both the side. Direct I am doing. So log u is equal to log x raised to power x. And this can be written as log x raised to power n. So that is n log x. So this is x into log x. Now you can differentiate with respect to x. So this is log u means 1 over u and derivative of u is du over dx. Chain rule we will apply. Here's product rule we will do. This is your first and second. First derivative of the second. Derivative of the log x is 1 over x. And x का then again 1 होगा, so it will remain as it is. Now second and derivative of the first is 1. So finally you are getting from here, you can cancel. So you will get du over dx is equal to u 1 plus log x. But what is u? U is already you assumed is here. So this is x raised to power x into 1 plus log x. This is the value of du over dx for this one. Now separately you can take this one in second case, that is v is equal to 2 raised to power sin x. So here is no need to take the log is direct a raised to power x, you can do that. What you will get here is there. Differentiate with respect to x. So this is dv over dx. A raised to power x is means a raised to power x as it is into log a, this one. But you have to find the derivative of this one. So derivative of sin x is also that is cos x. So finally you are getting 2 raised to power sin x into cos x into log 2. This is the value of dv over dx. लेकिन हमने क्या assume किया था? This is u and this is v. So what exactly you are getting is here. You are getting u plus v is here. But we are interested in dy over dx. तो y is equal to क्या था? Y is equal to u plus v. Differentiate you will do, so dy over dx is equal to du over dx plus, sorry, here is the minus is here, yeah, minus है, तो here will be the minus, that is minus dv over dx, because we want to the derivative of this whole thing, इस जिसको हमने y is equal to assume किया, इसको u ले लिया, इसको v लिया for the own convenience. Now dy over dx you will do, so du over dx minus dv over dx. Now du over dx is already you know, this is dv over dx is already you know, you can put the values here, so you will get here is x raised to power x into 1 plus log x minus this is 2 raised to power sin x into cos x into log 2. This is your answer. Have a look. Yes, now the question is cos x whole raised to power y is equal to cos y whole raised to power x. Look at here now. यहाँ x है, here is y, then here is y, here is the x. We are supposed to find the derivative of this one, means we want to find out the dy over dx. So one thing is there, you can transpose this on this side only, equal to 0 you can do, then you can assume this is u and this is v, and then separately you can find the derivative of this one as well as this one is there. That is also one of the ways there. दूसरा क्या है, हम direct we can take the log of both the side. So direct I am going to do just taking log of both the sides. Just simply we are going to take the log of both the sides. So what we will get is here log cos x whole raised to power y is equal to, this is log cos y whole raised to power x. So here we can apply cos log x raised to power m, or you can say log m raised to power n. So that can be written as n log m. Same is here. So this can be written as y into log cos x is equal to, this is x into log cos y. Now you can differentiate both the sides with respect to x, because we are interested in dy over dx only. See, so this is first and second product rule we will apply. First into derivative of this one, direct I am doing log x का 1 over cos x, and derivative of cos x is again chain rule minus sin x, plus this is log cos x into derivative of this y dy over dx with respect to x is equal to, look at here now, here we will apply the again the product rule is here, first and derivative of second one is there, x derivative of this one log x like 1 over cos y, then cos y का minus sin y, then y dy over dx plus log cos y into derivative of x is 1 is here. So finally we are getting this one. Now you can solve. So what you will get, this can be written as y minus sin x over cos x, that you can then say the minus y minus tan x, plus this is your log cos x into dy over dx. This is can be written as minus x tan y into dy over dx plus log cos y. See, here is dy over dx, here is dy over dx. You can transpose this on this side and you can transpose this y tan x on that side only. So what you will get is here. Chali, one more line we will write here, log cos x into dy over dx plus x into tan y into dy over dx is equal to, you can transpose this minus y tan x on right hand side is there. So this is log cos y plus this is your plus y into tan x. Again, now you can take out the dy over dx is common from here. So what you will get is here log cos x plus here is x tan y, and this is equal to log cos y plus y into tan x. But we are interested in dy over dx. So dy over dx you will do simply, you are supposed to divide, simple divide करिए. So this is your log cos y plus y into tan x Yes, yes. Here is the x. Yes, so no problem. Whatever. Okay. Over log cos x plus x into 10y, and that is the value of your dy over dx. Have a look. Now the next is there derivative of the function in parametric form. Parametric form means we are interested to find the value of dy over dx. हमें क्या dy over dx चाहिए, but here is the x and y. The function x is given in terms of this theta, and here is theta is there only. But we are interested in dy over dx. So these are the parametric forms are there by which we can find the derivative of this one. See how? क्या करना है? इसको लीजिए. Suppose x is equal to this is given a cos theta. You are supposed to find the derivative of this one with respect to theta is there, because this dy over dx you can write down. Dy over dx can be written as like dy over d theta over dx over d theta, because here is the y is given in terms of this theta is here, means we can find the derivative of this one y with respect to theta. Here is derivative of this x with respect to theta is there only. So dy over d theta, this can be written dy over dx can be written dy over d theta over dx over d theta is. This is a parametric form you can say. So what you will get? Differentiate. Here is with respect to theta. So this is dx over d theta is equal to will be equal to a is your constant. Cos theta means minus sin theta. This is because with respect to theta you are doing. So you are going to do the derivative of this theta will be 1. So you are getting here minus a sin theta. This is your 1. Now you can differentiate this with respect to theta. So this is your dy over d theta is equal to a. Derivative of sin theta is cos theta, and theta का करेंगे तो 1 is there. So this is your a cos theta. This is your 2. But we are interested in dy over dx. So dy over dx is equal to क्या? That is dy over d theta. So dy over d theta is what? A cos theta, and dx over d theta is minus a sin theta minus a sin theta. You can put the value, solve this one. So what finally you will get what? Cos theta minus over sin theta. So here is dy over dx is equal to, can be written as minus cot theta, and this is your answer. Have a look. Yes, now the question is you have to find the dy over dx where y is given in terms of this t and x, this y is here and this is your x is there. We are interested in dy over dx. So same is there, dy over dx you want to calculate, and these two functions are given in terms of t is here. So it means क्या करना है? dy over dt divided by dx over dt. So you have to calculate the dy over dt and dx over dt separately. See now, this is your x is equal to, so this x is equal to, you can differentiate with respect to t is here only. See, so this is a, direct I am doing cos t, derivative of the cos t is minus sin t plus, this is your log x, so 1 over x, then tan x का फिर again we will do chain rule, so sec square x, then t by 2 का again, that is 1 by 2, and after solving इस पूरे को solve करेंगे, simply you will get a cos square t over sin t. Just see how this can be written as 1 over cos square t by 2, and this is sin t by 2 over cos t by 2. Cos t by 2 and cos t by 2 can be cancelled out. So in denominator what you will get? You will get the sin t is there only. You will solve this one, you will get this. So dx over dt will be this one. Similarly, dy over dx, dy over dt you will do with respect to t. So this is a, the derivative of the sin t is cos t is here. So now dy over dt you know, dx over dt you know, then you can find out that dy over dx, that is equal to dy over dt over dx over dt, and dy over dt is what? A cos t over, and this is your dx over dt, so a cos square t over sin t. So if you will solve this one only, what will happen? The sin t will go in the numerator is there, so you will get a cos t into sin t over a cos square t. A cancel, 1 cos से ये गया, so you will get sin t over cos t. So that is equal to what you will get. Therefore you will get dy over dx is equal to what is this? This can be written as tan t. Have a look. Now we will discuss the second order derivative. Means we are supposed to find the d square y over dx square. And y is equal to, suppose this one question we are taking, with the help of this question we will try to answer this. Y is equal to हमको ये दिया है. You have to find out the d square y over dx square. Means second order. You are supposed to differentiate 2 times only. So here is direct I am doing. See another solution you can say. So y is equal to x cube plus 10x. You are supposed to differentiate with respect to x. So what will be this is dy over dx is equal to derivative of this x cube will be 3x square. Derivative of 10x is sec square x. The derivative of 10x is already you know. But we are interested in this one. So what we will again you are supposed to differentiate. Means again d over dx, dy over dx is equal to d over dx 3x square plus sec square x. Again you are supposed to find the derivative of this one. So dy over dx again you are going to, then you will get d square y over dx square. So that is your second order you can say. Now differentiate, this is 3x square, derivative of x square is 2. So 3 into 2x is 6x plus sec square x 2 sec x first, x raised to n की तरह करेंगे, फिर sec x का sec x into 10x. So here you will get 6 plus 2 sec square x into 10x, and this is your d square y over dx square. This is your, have a look is here.